So now students, I have seen in past, we can say 25 years, only 2 questions have been asked from whatever we have discussed till now, right? So first one is in GATE 2005 and similar question was asked in GATE 2007. Similar question, only the values were changed, right? So let us see the question. The question is, the culturable command area, CCA means culturable command area, for a distributor is 2 into 10 raised to power 4 meter square and intensity of irrigation is 40%. So what is the intensity? I have already told you, right? If core water depth, now this is a new term, actually not a new term, when I'll be explaining you in some other chapter about crops and the various, you can say, the statements about crops and various terms related to crops, I will be explaining you core water depth, the base period, the duty, the delta, each and everything I'll be explaining. But for the timing, I'll be explaining you what is core water depth, right? And core period are 14 centimeter and 4 weeks respectively. The peak demand discharge is. So first of all, you see the question and try to implement your brain. What do you think this question can be solved? I am giving you just 1 minute, right? Just think how it can be solved. So that I am not solving this numerical because I want you to process your mind and think about this numerical, right? Otherwise, there is no fun of solving numericals. You think how to solve this numerical, right? So you can say cultural command area is given, okay. Irrigation is given, okay. Core water depth is given, okay. Core period is given, okay. And we have to find the peak demand discharge. For the timing, let me tell you what is core period. So core period, for example, you have sown a particular crop, whether it is wheat or whatever. So the initial watering you give to a particular crop is known as the that period is known as the core period, and that first watering which is given to a particular crop is known as the crop watering, right? Or also known as the crop water depth also. So it is the initial water which you give to a particular crop, the first water, right? Okay, so this is the core period. Now you think how to solve this numerical. So there are two ways to solve this numerical. If you listen to me, the first way would be to apply the concept. Okay, this is the culturable command area. 40% is intensity. It means that out of the culturable command area, only 40% has to be irrigated, and this is the core water depth is 14 centimeter, and time period is also given to you. So how much discharge should be given? It is very easy. Thus, another method to solve this numerical would be just compare the units, you will get the answer. I told you whenever you are stuck with any numerical, compare the units, you will get the answer. For example, it is meter cube per second. So this is meter square. I have to multiply with another meter. So another meter I can get from here. So 14 divided by 100 will be 1 meter. So it will be meter cube. And time I will be getting from 4 weeks. I will be getting time in seconds, right? It will be simple. And 40% irrigation means of this area only 40% has to be irrigated. Intensity of irrigation means that, right? So let me explain you how this numerical has to be solved. And similar numerical came in GATE 2007 also, only values were changed, everything was same, right? So this is the culturable command area. The area of the culturable command area is 2 into 10 raised to power 4 meter square, and out of this the intensity of irrigation is 40%. It means that only 40% area has to be irrigated. Only this area has to be irrigated. So first of all, let us determine this area. So irrigated or the agriculturable area is actually equal to 40%. So 40 divided by 100 of how much? 2 into 10 raised to power 4 meter square. 2 into 10 raised to power 4. So it will be equal to 100. It is 10 square. It will be 10 square, and it will be 80 into 10 square meter square. Only this area has to be irrigated. Agriculturable area. Only this area has to be irrigated. Right? Now I know the area. If I multiply the area with the water depth, I will get the volume. And if I divide the volume with time, I will get discharge, right? So the discharge will be equal to area 80 into 10 square into water depth is 14 centimeter, means 14 divided by 100 meters divided by the time. Time is 4 weeks. So 1 week has 7 days, 1 day has 24 hours, 1 hour has 60 minutes, and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So that is how we can determine the value of discharge in meter cube per second. Let me calculate. Let me use the calculator. So this is not 10 raised to power 4. This is 10 raised to power 8. This is 10 raised to power 8. In question it is given 10 raised to power 8. So it will be 10 raised to power 8, right? Then it will be equal to 80 into 10 raised to power 6, it will be equal to 10 raised to power 6. So it will be 10 raised to power 6. So if you solve it, you will be getting an answer which is equals to 4.63 meter cube per second. That is, this is the correct answer. So let's move forward to next topic. In next topic, I will be telling you what the most probable questions can be from this chapter, that is the crop water requirements. Thank you.